Good afternoon, everyone. We have CEO of IIT Awadh, Dr. Radhika Sekha. Good afternoon, ma'am. Initially, I would start our conversation with your views on Operation Dronagiri and the initiative that DST and Survey of India is taking. So, what are your views, and how do you feel that this will help startup ecosystem?
So it's a wonderful initiative that the government has taken, especially led by Department of Science and Technology along with Survey of India. Under the National Geo Policy that came way back in 2022, that is the first implementation plan we are seeing into the policy. And with this, magnificent data sets would be created, the specific spatial data sets that would be created. And with this initiative, it would be open for the public, specifically startups who are the budding entrepreneurs. They can utilize this data and do wonders with data. So as we are living in this AI world where data is the new currency, and data sets are going to revolutionize how the science, technology, innovation is working. And I think so this is going to be the game changer for entire India, because the spatial data that we are talking about, India can take loads of across for that, and it will make us to be placed in the global map with this.
So, ma'am, as you and your organization interact with startups, so how do you feel that there was a gap previously, and how this gap is filled after this initiative?
Right. So India is one of the leading country, the top third nation in the world in terms of startup ecosystem. So with these programs such as Operational Dronagiri, where government, where industry, where academic institutes, research institutes, they are coming together and creating a platform, a kind of an enabling platform for the startups that will help them to utilize the data sets which were not easily available for them. So it will create a platform where they can utilize, they can create applications, they can create various stack of different use cases that will be a kind of a playground for them to explore, and this will give an opportunity for them to utilize the resources, get the validation from the government, from the academia, from the industry, and further create a market scenario out of it. So many new applications are going to come. So before Operational Dronagiri, I think so the availability of data was the major hitch, and with Operational Dronagiri, where we saw that there is an interface that is being developed, that interface will create loads of opportunities, and this will create loads of application area, not just limited to 3 sectors we are talking, but much beyond that.
Definitely. So, I would like to know on what particular sector IIT Awadh IIT Roper is working, and it will foster the growth in this sector.
Right. So as you mentioned about IIT Roper Awadh, so Awadh is our nickname, you can say that. So it stands for Agriculture and Water Technology Development Hub. So we are part of a national mission on interdisciplinary cyber physical system of Department of Science and Technology. We are bringing the emerging technologies such as cyber physical system, catering to artificial intelligence, the GIS data, then catering to Internet of Things, IoT application, machine learning, automation, for exclusively for agriculture and water. And agriculture being the bread and butter for the entire growth of a country, the leading national priority of the country. Like it's been always, I heard from MS Swaminathan ji, the father of Green Revolution, he said, if agriculture goes wrong in the country, everything goes wrong. So nothing can be done if agriculture is not right. And for agriculture, when we talk about smart agriculture, digital agriculture, precision agriculture, GIS is going to play a very, very important role. And this is how we got connected with Operational Dronagiri. The biggest benefit of the GIS data and its application is definitely going to be the farming community, the whole agricultural ecosystem.
Okay. So, ma'am, any concluding remarks you would like to say? Any gap that we are not addressing yet, but we can further address it and we can include it in our program as well?
I think so. This is the fantabulous beginning that we have started. While we all would be working together, we will understand what are the wide gaps, what are the key areas that we need to extend our arms. Like, for example, if we talk about agriculture, slowly we will also move into the agriculture value chain, the supply chain. The entire value chain would be catered. So as and when we will take forward steps, we will identify these are the key areas where we need to focus on, how we bring it to the defense sector also.
Right.
So I many possibilities are going to open up,
Yeah.
and we will keep our ears open
Ears open.
and open for the feedback from the audience who will be
Audience as well.
utilizing the benefit of this program, so that we can make a refined version out of it. But this is a fantabulous start, where one of its kind platform where not only government is pushing, but all the key stakeholders, be it industry, be it our Survey of India, be it our startups, be it the academic institutes, all are coming together to create a nurturing ecosystem for our startups to build on.
Thank you, ma'am. And this was a grateful insight program. Your views were really insightful, and I hope this leads to the wider scope and wider scale, and then we'll further work on creating our country as a geospatial leader in this sector, as national
Yes, we
geospatial
need
policy
to be on the
mandate is there.
global map
Yeah,
with this
definitely.
program. This is just a beginning.
This is just
Many
a
more
beginning.
things
This can
going
be
to come.
scaled up for
Yes.
the program. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you